In today's tutorial, we will unravel the magic of looping in Google Slides. Whether you're showcasing a digital signage display, an interactive kiosk, or simply want your presentation to replay endlessly, this feature has got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Start the slideshow. Click on Slideshow at the top of the screen, choose either presenter view or start from beginning based on your preference. 2. Enable autoplay and loop. Hover your cursor over the bottom left corner of the presentation to reveal the presenter toolbar. Click the three dots on the right side of the toolbar, select autoplay from the menu, set the desired advanced timing for slides, e.g., every second. Every minute. To loop the slideshow, check the loop option at the bottom of the menu. 3. Play your presentation. Click play to automatically start your presentation. The slides will advance according to your chosen timing. To stop the slideshow, click on any slide. You can resume autoplay by selecting play again from the presenter toolbar.